So I keep seeing comments like this, and I tell y'all every single time that I address this, I tell y'all I used to do this, but it's so toxic. And more than that, it's really just not good for your teeth. I understand that super glue is faster, it's cheaper. But let's be honest, with the right tools, you get better results. Your teeth are healthier. You don't have to risk, ingesting toxic stuff. Glue over time, it wears down. Like you're literally ingesting and inhaling these fumes that who knows what it's doing to you, but we know it's not good. Our teeth they're literally made of calcium and salt. So it's like the chemicals in that glue is wearing down your enamel and just tearing it away. So I know the glue is cheap, but like you're still, if worse comes to worse, you're still gonna have to pay for your tooth getting pulled, a freaking tooth replacement, who knows what, a root canal, all these things that could happen just from you damaging your tooth enamel or the gum tissue. So be careful. I don't recommend doing that anymore. So yeah. If you need supplies, Amazon, eBay, literally just look it up in Google. You don't have to get a big old LED light. You can get the little blue lights that go on like a keychain. Those work just fine. So yeah, I don't know. Just don't do that.